So I found these pins inside the arms, and I'm gonna attempt to sew these on each end and then pull them through the plastic little holes right there. So I've got a tab like this tied to the other arm, and I jammed it in there, and it's in there. So now I'm trying to wiggle this one in here, and it's a bear. Trying to get this tight. I'll let you know what happens. Yep. Well, I got it on, and the arms look pretty good enough to display, but I broke the leg in the process. Yeah. So disclosure, gonna have to glue it on. Yeah, disclosure.